YouTubers, hello, we are back again. It is Tuesday, July 3rd. 4th of July is around the corner. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe, enjoying their mini holiday vacation. And now we have an Amazon Prime unboxing to do, I do believe. And not sure where this is coming from. About to open it up. See what's inside. Hopefully you guys are staying cool out there. It's warm outside by us. Got the heat wave going again. Oh boy. Was not expecting this. We're gonna have to do a review on Instagram. All that good stuff for this special unboxing. If I can open it. There we go. Whoa. Come on. There we go. This is coming. Ooh, we got a note. Alright. Oh, jeez. Oh, man, I can't make this out. Who's this from? The title and description and the links are going to be down below, where you can get one at a low cost. This is an LED high conference mini LED projector. Oh boy. I'm going to definitely do a movie review on my Instagram. Take a look inside. But definitely the link and everything's going to be corrected once the video goes up. So sorry if I didn't give you a proper shout out, but I'm not sure who this is coming from. But definitely the title, everything will be corrected. So here we go. Or maybe it'll be in the manual. Oh, this is nice. Take a look at this. Check this out. Bada boom. We got a USB, HDMI, bonus, VGA. Oh, this is so lightweight. Really light. Nice color. And they do have other colors also. So this is model RD 808 802. There's all the specs. Up to 100 inches. Lamp. 48320. 3. And I'm going to set this up downstairs so at least we can see what it looks like on the wall. But for movie and quality tests will be on my Instagram. Just because of copyright stuff. You know the rules. But definitely excited for this. So thank you guys for sending me this mini LED projector. And we also got a nice remote. And like I said, it'll be coming right up. I'll be going downstairs. And make sure you stock up on some batteries. We had probably AAAs, I do believe. Ooh. There we go. Yep, AAAs. Make sure you stock up on them. There you go. Just to buy those Amazon Prime basics. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get this shipped out to you in no time. Great for college dorms, man caves. Football season's coming up. Watch the World Cup also. Baseball looks really good. Movies looks amazing. So possibly take it outside. Just make sure that doesn't get wet. It's not waterproof. There's something on the side. That's an IR sensor, I do believe. Oh god, focus time. Hammer time. Well. My. And that's a slot. And there's that. I don't know if you guys can tell. There we go. Really Nice. Alright, YouTubers, I'll be down in the dungeon in a minute. I'll see you guys soon. Alrighty, YouTubers, here she is. The mini LED projector set up. Pretty good quality. I just got adjusted a little bit. It is a little difficult adjusting it. Doesn't have like a manual crank in front. But other than that, it's really good. So, nice, quiet. I got the Fire Stick rolling on it. And that's what the screen looks like. Easy to use remote control. And like I said, I don't have no screen. This is just off my white wall. And I got the light on for you guys to see the projector. Hold on one sec. And now that's what it looks like in a dark-ish, because it's still daytime out here. But yeah, really good quality. Check them out, affordable price. Like I said, take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get this mini LED projector. And sorry for not proper shout out, but thank you guys for sending me this for a review. And like I said, link could be down below, and the title will be corrected once I look them up. But really nice projector, small, compact, great for gaming, streams. Hook up the Switch to it. SNES Classic, NES Classic, Xbox One, PS4. Definitely do some gaming on this, and put it on the ceiling before you go to bed. Definitely a plus. But easy to set up and pretty good quality. So YouTubers, check them out. You guys be safe. I do believe that's it for today, and I'll see you guys soon.